Hello everyone, my name is Zhang Yu Hong, and my professor is Guo Wenjun. And today's to my seminar's topical is a handheld optical of a coherence tomography. And in my outlines, I will tell you why we need OCTs and why we need OCTs in what is OCTs and in multiple OCT systems. And second, I will tell you what are the advantages of using a Handheld probe. And I will tell you the Handheld probe or introductions and the complications of the common cause of the Handheld OCT system to the pop type or Handheld OCT systems. And the third, I will tell the difference of Handheld OCTs. And the third, I will tell you what are the medically of occasions of the handheld OCTs. I will tell in the ophthalmologies and endoscopies and the dentistries of the dermatologists. And last one, I will tell the summary. So why we need OCT? And I will tell you what is OCT. Optical or coherence and tomography. If a non-invasive and non-damage and non-radiations and without the contrast agents and high resolutions. And in the right side, in the features in the table, we can see the OCT have a great sensitivity and spatial of resolution of it. In the table, we can see OCT have a high resolutions, and you don't need to use the dye of the chasers, and the penetrations of the depth is good at it. So OCT is very suitable for the thickness on the images. And in the traditionals of OCTs, it's in multiple OCT system, it occupies a significant real estate on an optical table and typically using a stationary and scan stage of the amount of the image samples, and processing of the is performed on a large desktop encounters and monitors. You can see the features on the right side is so that it is so heavy and not easy to carry. And how can we solve this problem? And maybe we can use the Handheld OCT to solve it. So that's what are the advantages of the using the Handheld probe. In the Handheld OCT, first is the 3D pings of the spectra of the housings, and the second is a scanning of optic of the Handheld probe, like MEMS mirrors and liquid lens. We can see the right side. The right side shows that a different Handheld OCT design of it. You can see it uses MEMS mirrors and using the liquid lens and the fibers connections. And in these features, it shows a different way to transform the translations of the signals of it. And the third, computers of the self constants of its and accreditations and processings and displays and the rechargeables and power source. And the last one, it had the lowest cost design approaches. So that Handhelds also have the smallest and lighter, easy to carry. How can we prove it? You can see the tables of it, and it shows that the comparisons of the common code is a Handheld OCT system to the public type and the Handheld OCT system. You can see the public type of Handheld OCT systems. It has a faster scanning speed of it, and the widest and image range in the tissues, and have a smallest dimensions of it, and have a lighter weight of and handle wide. And the different things, the scanning of mirrors of type is used in the MEMS so that it can make the white lightly and make the dimensions smoothly. So we prove that the Handheld OCT has a more important to it. And here's I would like to introduce a different Handheld OCTs. And these features, this shows that this is a capsule of OCTs. It can took in your stomach and use it and see your SQ image of it. and you also see stomach image of it. And it can more easily enter the internals or edge of the human's bodies and use the motors of the rotating of the image. You can see the image on the right side. And on the right features, you can see the backpack of the Handheld OCT. You can easily to carry it. And the downside, the left feature, it shows you can use the hand on your hand like pencils of the Handheld's OCT. And what are the medical needs of the applications of the Handheld's OCT? And in this page, I will show the multiple homologies of the Handheld's OCT. In the left side is a different designs of the Handheld's OCTs. You can see the image on the small screen and a different design of it. And the downside usually is the gavel scanners of the images of the Handheld's OCT. And Handheld using homologies, we can clearly see the fendals and retinas and the maculas in the image, even use the thickness of in the animals. And in the endoscopies, it looks, you can see in the left side, you can see the long image of it. It use the needles of the pulp and took in your lung, and you can see the image of it. And in the left side, you can see the road of our bodies with the tuberous of the pulp. You can see the features of it. And in the last one, we talk about the dentists and the dermatology. In the left side, it shows the tooth image of it. You can still use the Handheld's OCT and took in your mouth, and you can see your tooth image of it. And in the right side, and it shows that using on the skin image. And this OCT is also have the RCM, and you can more clearly to see the images and to early diagnose to the skin cancer. So that in my summary, Handheld OCT has been a significant technical advance of the recent years and towards and making OCTs more accessible. And this includes a ready to cost and new scannings and machinations of the smaller for the factors and improve ease of use. And second, Handheld OCT is designed to be used organs and scanned in the different situations, making IT more and commonly to use it to the medical or examinations. And the next one, at least the technology's advance makes their way from the research or laboratories of the commerce code of the products. This technology advance will also advance use of the OCT in a larger file, whereas the ability to image tissues of microstructures and the power to use diagnostics and capabilities. And this is my reference of it. And thank you for your listening. Thank you.